Okay, I'm going to continue now. And today we are going to do two-step equation. So a two-step equation, like I said before, will be two expressions that equal to each other. So this expression equals to this expression, and with the equal sign in the middle, it becomes what we call a two-step equation or an equation. Now, why this is a two-step? Because in this case, in order to get the x by itself, you're gonna have to get rid of this guy, 2, which is multiplying the x, and this guy, 6, which is adding to the 2x. Now, remember we talked about PEMDAS, order of operation, right? So we're going to follow this. This is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, remember, you are not following the order of operation. You're following the opposite of the order of operation. We're going from the bottom to the top because we are undoing. We're leaving the x by itself. So the x was by itself, and someone, what did they do? They multiply by 2, and then they added a 6. As you can see, adding was the last thing they did. So when you tie your shoelace, if you tie your shoelace 3-4 times, how do you untie it? Do you untie the first knot, or do you untie the last one? Of course, the last one, right? That's what we're doing here. You're going from the bottom, from the last one to the first. So in this case, I am going to take care first of addition. So I am going to take care of the plus 6. How do I do that? Minus 6. What you do on the left, you must do on the right, because you need to balance the equation. So here, 6 minus 6 is gone. I have 2x left on this side. 14 minus 6 is 8. And as you can see, you now have a one-step equation. You need to get rid of the 2 now. What is the 2 doing next to the x? The 2 is multiplying. So we are going to undo multiplication by using division. Divide both sides by 2. There is your 1x. There's 1. Usually we don't write it. It's an invisible 1. You could just write it if you want. A divided by 2 is 4. X equals 4. And if you want to check, you can substitute the original question that was 2 times x plus 6 equals 14. 2 times x, well, now we know x is 4. So we can plug in a 4 here. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Is that true? 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 equals 14. Ta-da! Check. We just checked that our answer is correct. Okay? I'm going to give you one now, and I want you to try it. Pause the video, and then you come back and check your work. Okay? All right, so try this. Let's see. 2x minus 9 equals 11. Okay, pause the video, please. Do the work and come back and check. Okay, now that you're back, I'm just going to do the work and you check if you did this correctly. I'm going to get rid of the 9. If it's minus 9, I add 9 on both sides. 9 and 9 cancels out. I bring down what's left. On the left side is 2x. On the right side, 11 plus 9 is 20. My next step will be to divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Don't cross it out and think it's 0, okay? This is division. 2 divided by 2 is 1. There is my 1x equals 20 divided by 2 is 10. Hopefully you all got 10. And remember, you could always check. You could plug in a 10 right here, and you check. 2 times 10 minus 9 equals 11. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 equals 11. Yes, check. All right, great job.